Hi, my name is Habakkuk Chipare. So I'm just going to take you through a 10-minute walkthrough of my project here. My project, which is wowTv, which is, of course, is a UK-style streaming service database. So I'll cover collections, sample data, and queries. So I'll go straight away into my database here. You can see here I've created collections, accounts, favorites. You can see my collections here, all the documents I have in there, which covers accounts, favorite TV, live TV, movies. So I'll go into one of these. You can see here in accounts, there's a document which is the email. You have the hash password. You also have in here reviews. There's 9 documents in here where someone can write a review. The profile ID is included, and the ratings, and of course any comments as well. And if we go into review here, you can actually see I've set up as well some validation where these fields are required within the review. And of course, and the most important thing is the rating itself can only be between 1 and 3 inclusive. So anything less than 1, you can't create a document. Anything more than 5, you can't create a document on this. So yeah, which I have, and it's easy as well for for setting up or for creating any sort of documents as well. Uh, I'll move on as well to Mongoose. Right. So first of all, what I'm going to try and do is to create a plan. So if I go into plans here, you can see we only have 3 in here. Uh, yeah. So what I'm going to do is maybe add 2 more plans. So just showing a bit of seed in here. I'm going to add 2 more plans. I'm just going to go to my notepad here. So I'm going to Mongo shell here. Just going to close this. Right. So 2 plans, one entertainment, monthly entertainment for 6.99, and another one here for, what is the price here? 11 something, right? 11.99. Yeah, to create a D8 and D9, so go into plans here. You can see there were 3, and now there's 5. So yeah, so successfully uh, seeded 2 plans here. What I'm going to do as well is just run through a few queries as well. So I'm just going to go into my notepad and just copy a few queries I've done here. So the first one here is I'm going to just do top 10 GB movies. So go into my Mongo shell. As you can see, region availability is GB. Anything top four rating, so greater than or equal to 4, and all I want to return is the title and the average. So if I hit enter, you can see here these are all the top, and of course it's limited to just 5 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that seems to be working okay. And I'll move to the next one. This is just to look at the watch history by profile. So I've chosen just one of the IDs from the profiles rather than the name. So I'm just going to clear here. So I've chosen this profile ID, which is for mom. That's my wife there. So let's see. So anything that's in progress and less than 100, of course, that's in progress. And of course, when you want to see the first 15, yes, you can see here 1, 2. So it's giving you it's a movie, and there's a content ID, the object ID, and it's telling you it's 50% here, and this movie title, the director, and all the stuff that you need to know here, which seems to be working okay. Uh, what I'm going to do as well is look at average star rating. So I have a query waiting here as well. So I'm going to close this. So yeah, I want to get average rating. This gives me average rating. Now, the only thing I've got to improve here is maybe put the name of the ID of the movie in here rather than the ID. So that's something I certainly can improve on that. Of course, just running out of time here, so I'll move on to the next one. This one, which I couldn't find in any of the streaming services I was using, so it's just a master search. So I'm just gonna do that, then close this. So here I want to search here with something that contains AR. So it's going to go into all the titles in the movies, the series, and it's of course limited to 7 here. And it's found 1, which is only 1 as well. Uh, which if I had time, I'd actually shown you in there as well. It's just running out of time. Uh, what I'm going to do here is maybe create a new profile. Yes, let me create a new profile here. Let me see into profiles. See how many profiles do we have? Okay, yeah. So there's only 5 profiles. I'm going to create a new profile here. Let me check the time. 4 minutes. Okay. Just going to close that. So new profile, I'm going to insert one. It's just a team, just new profile. It's just going to be a viewer, so it's not going to be like a owner. Yeah, created DA, which is a new profile here. Let's see. So refresh this. We have 6 profiles. Perfect. That's working fine. And what I'll do is just delete that profile, which should be an easy thing as well. All right. So go in Mongoose. Profile deleted. You can see that's gone. Where's the profile? Gone. Perfect. And this one here is just to log on. So I have the password you can see here in the accounts. There's a password here ending in XY. So what I'm going to do here is just to log on. So the hash code should match what's within the account itself. So I'll go into Mongoose. Yeah, so you can see here it has to match what's in there. So it will say log on if it's successful. Yeah, that is successful, which is perfect. Right. 3 minutes. Yeah. Right, so what I'm going to show you as well, let me see. I'm going to go into series here and just to see what I've done as well. So if you go into the series here, I've actually embedded the episodes within the series. You can see here, there's one episode, series 1. So it means the good thing about that is you can embed as many as possible. There's one, there's another one there. They're all in one place as well. It makes it easier and quicker as well for the system to find them as well, rather than referencing them or just embedded them within the episodes within the series themselves as well. Yeah, it improves read performance as well. Uh, yeah, yeah, when rendering a series page, which is good as well. Yeah, running out of time here. What else do I need to show you here? I'm gonna go into subscriptions as well. What did I do in here? Yeah, with subscriptions as well, you can see here they all link to the same account, and it gives you the plan as well. When it started, when it finishes. This one doesn't have a finish date, but it is active. There's one here which is cancelled, one that's expired. And you can see here it actually gives you a snippet of the actual plan, the plan name, the price, which is there as well, the currency and the duration as well. So this one is expired. Yeah, it's next billing date is now, but this one does have a next billing date. This one doesn't have because it's cancelled as well, which is brilliant. What I'm going to do as well is I mentioned the reviews as well. I put a validation as well for the reviews. Okay, 1 minute left. So I'll go in here. I'm going to create a review, uh, which is, let's say, 6. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to insert one review, which is going to be 6. You can see here that's been declined. That didn't go through because of the validation I put in place here. So that would not work. Because if you go here into reviews, and if I go into validation, it has to be a 1, between 1 and 5 inclusive as well. Yeah, so that is basically, yeah, trying to fit this within the 10 minutes. So yeah, that's my wowTV. So yeah, it looks clean, and I've demonstrated embedding episodes for speed, references as well for growth and validation and index as well. So yeah, that is all I have to show. I don't know how much time is left here. What else do I have here that I need to show you here? Of course, we have the playlist here, which is linked to everybody else. Watch history for everybody else as well. Okay, what else did I miss? Yeah, so 10 minutes isn't a lot as well. So of course I could have uh, added security features as well, but I don't have much time, so I think my 10 minutes is nearly up, so I'm going to stop the recording. Thank you.